The informal settlement of Kibera is about 2.5 square kilometers in size, with a population of about 200,000 people. For years, getting access to essential services for Kibera's residents has been a huge challenge until now. But one community-based organization, Map Kibera, has mapped the entire settlement, providing much-needed data for the government and development partners to ensure essential services are available for the residents. And as CGTN's Nagila reports, other informal settlements are adopting the model.
A 5-minute walk from his workplace finds Zach Wambua at the Three Bells Primary School in the heart of Kibera, one of the largest informal settlements in Africa. Zach is part of Map Kibera, an organization using technology to empower communities by mapping the settlements and where essential services are available.
We also engage different stakeholders that are working in those communities, like organization, CBOs, getting to understand what kind of information they would like to see on a map.
Today, he is gathering data on one of the schools affected by recent demolitions using a mobile phone app with survey questions. Once the survey is complete, he sets the exact GPS coordinates, takes pictures of the school, and heads back to the office to download the data.
So in 2009,
project manager Jack Ogura says the project came about by chance.
We were lucky to meet a team from OpenStreetMap who had visited Kibera. And so out of engaging with them, we realized that they could help us start map our community.
Now, a decade later, Map Kibera has transformed the settlement. Working with the local community, the team collects data on essential services and maps them.
We ended up with 4 thematic areas, which was security, water and sanitation, education, and health.
The data is then used by government agencies and aid organizations to direct services where required. One beneficiary was the immediate former Member of Parliament, Ken Okoth, who passed away recently from cancer.
We used our map to build new schools in Kibera and even to improve some and renovate some.
On security, the organization mapped out dangerous areas and the government installed floodlights and built additional police posts. So successful was the project that organizations like the UN Habitat and the World Bank partnered with Project Kibera to ensure access to essential services. What started off as a project seeking to benefit the residents of Kibera has turned out to be so much more. A decade later, having seen the advantages, other communities across the country are replicating the same model through Map Kibera. Nagila, CGTN, Kibera, Nairobi.